Hi students, this is Shanti ma'am. Today we are going to discuss about in chemistry unit 4 matter. Matter is nothing but anything which occupies space and has mass is called matter. The various objects which exist around us are made of some kind of matter. We perceive some of these objects through our senses, like sight through our eyes, touch through our skins, hearing through our ear, taste through our tongue, and smelling through our nose. A glass tumbler can be seen. Agarbatti burning can be recognized by its smell, whereas wind blowing can be felt. All kinds of matter possesses mass and occupies space. Of course, some are heavy and others are light. Thus, the matter can be defined as anything which occupies space or volume and mass and can be perceived by our senses. Perceived. What is meant by perceived? We can felt our senses like sight, touch, hearing, taste and smelling. So, another one definition, the anything which occupies space has mass is called matter. The matter is nothing but which occupies any one space. Isn't it? Are you clear, students? The matter is which occupies space and has mass is called matter. Next, as we know already, matter exists in three states: the solids, liquids, gases. The classification of matter. The classification of matter. The first one is solid. What is meant by solid? The material. This is the solid. Ice cube is the one of the solid. We know that. Right. The material which has definite shape. Definite shape. And definite volume. It has definite volume at room temperature with any number of free surface is called solid. It has definite shape. The ice cube has some shape, the square shape, and volume. It occupies some volumes, right? The substances like, for example, wood, stone, sand, iron, etc. The wood has some shape, the long or short like this. The stone also some shape and volume. Sand also some shape and volumes. Iron also some shape and volumes. So the solid is definite shape and definite volume. So clear, students? Next, liquid. This is the liquid. Water. You have to take water in a glass. Right. The material which has definite volume but no definite shape. Definite shape, no. No definite shape, but volume is here. The water has some volume in this tumbler. The shape is tumbler, but no shape. The substance like water, milk, fruit juice, etc. வாட்டருக்கு ஷேப் கிடையாது. அது எந்த பாத்திரத்தில் இருக்கோ அதனுடைய ஷேப் தான் லிக்விடுக்கு இருக்கும். நம்ம 5 லிட்டரில் எடுத்துக்கிட்டோம்னா அது 5 லிட்டர் வேல்யூ, 10 லிட்டரில் எடுத்துக்கிட்டோம்னா 10 லிட்டர் வேல்யூ. தட்ஸ் ஆல். ரைட். Next, gases. The material which has neither definite shape nor definite value. There is no definite shape. Shape also no, and volume also no. It is easily compressible. Compressible means what? அது ஈஸியாக அழுத்த முடியும், சுருக்க முடியும். And has no free surface is called gas. இப்போ சிலிண்டர் எடுத்துக்கிட்டால் அதில் கேஸை நம்ம என்ன பண்ண முடியும்? கம்ப்ரெஸ் பண்ண முடியும். The substance like oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, steam, etc. We can felt. The carbon dioxide smell we can felt, but we cannot see. There is no shape, there is no volume. This is the gas. You understand, student, what is the difference between these two? The solid is definite shape and definite volume. The liquid is definite volume but there is no shape. The gas, no solid and no shape and no volume. Right? Next, how the matter is composed. How the matter is composed. Matter in any physical state is composed of smaller particles such as atom, molecules, ions. You keep in your mind, students. Atom, molecules, ions. This is one more questions. The matter composed by atom, molecules, ions. We will discuss one by one. Atom, molecules, ions. Right. Next, the molecules also made up of the atoms of same kind or different kinds. Hence, atoms are building blocks of matter. The molecules may be same kind of atoms, maybe different kinds of atoms. We will see one by one. This is atom. What is meant by atom? We have learned about the basics of atom in class 7. 7th standard you learnt already in atomic structure chapter. What is meant by atom? The atom is the smallest particle of an element. This is very tiny particles. Tiny particles. The least of the particles is called atom. Right. An atom is the smallest particle of an element which exhibits all the properties of elements that may or may not exist independently but it takes part of every chemical reactions. அதெல்லாம் தன்னிச்சையாகவும் இருக்க முடியும், சேர்ந்தும் இருக்க முடியும். This is the atom. For example, you see this is the example for atom. This is the one of the atom. You see. What is in middle? This is nucleus. This is what? Nucleus. The nucleus has proton and neutron. Proton and neutron present in the nucleus. Where the occupies the electron? The electrons around the nucleus. The electrons around the nucleus. The atom has proton, neutron, electron. The proton and the neutron present in the nucleus and the electron around the revolve the nucleus. This is the atom. Is it clear, students? Next, molecules. What is meant by molecules? The atoms of the same element or different elements combined to form a molecule. A molecule is the smallest particle of pure substance, maybe element or a compound, which can exist independently and retain the physical and chemical properties of the substance. For example, already I told you the molecules is same kind or different element. Same element or different element. This is the same element. How can we explain? This is H2 is hydrogen and O2 is oxygen. The hydrogen, 2 hydrogen is same element. Hydrogen and hydrogen. Is it clear, students? The 2 hydrogen present, the same element combined together to make one molecule, hydrogen molecule. Right? H plus and H gives H2. The H is one of the element. This H is one of the element. The both the element combine together to make one of the molecules. The molecule means what? The one or two or more elements combined together to make one molecules. The same kind of molecules. Because the here also hydrogen, here also hydrogen. The both the same element. So this is same kind of molecules. What is the different type of molecules? This is different type of molecules. For example, H2O. This is H2O, water molecule. This also one of the hydrogen atom. This also one of the hydrogen atom combined with the oxygen atom to make a hydrogen oxide water molecule. This is different type of atoms. You see, the oxygen is the one of the atom. Hydrogen is another one of the atom. The two different atoms combined together to make the water molecule. This is the different type of molecules. Right. Next, ions. What is meant by ion? The atoms or groups of atoms have a charge, positive charge or negative charge, are called ions. Maybe atoms or groups having charge. What charge? Two charges, the positive charges and the negative charges. The proton is the positive charge, the electron is the negative charge. For example, fluorine. Fluorine atomic number 9. Fluorine atomic number 9. The fluorine atom, this one is fluorine atom. This is the positive charge. The nucleus is positive charge. The electron around the nucleus. It has 9 electron. The positive charge has 9 proton. So, we are call it as this is positive charge. This is negative charge. It has both positive charge and negative charge is called ions. In these ions, get one electron from outer electron. Next, we will get 10 electron. One electron get from outside. So, it has 10 electron negative charge. The 9 proton is positive charge. This is called as ions. Another one example here, NaCl. NaCl is the one of the molecule. After dissolve the water, it dissociate. Listen. NaCl is the one of the molecule. After dissolve in water, it dissolved Na plus and Cl minus. Na contains positive charge. Cl contains negative charge. Right. This is ion. Sodium is one of the ion, positive ion. The chlorine is one of the ion, negative ion. otherwise called as the cation and anion. Otherwise called as cation and anion. Here you see KCl. KCl, potassium chloride. Potassium chloride. After dissolve the water, it dissociate K plus and Cl minus. K contains positive charge, Cl contains negative charge. K is the one of the ion, Cl is the one of the ion. K is otherwise called as cation. Cation, positive charge contains a cation. The chlorine is anion. It carry negative charge. We are called it as anion. Is it clear, students? Thank you.